Okay, everybody, today's Thursday. My little greenhouse there that's right outside my door, and there's a pile of wood that's filled with snow, and the outdoor furnace is open, the door for some reason, and here's my car, and Mr. R just, I don't know what he's doing. I guess he's just doing now with the tractor. It's really, really pretty out here. The trees are just absolutely beautiful. Let me see if I can catch up with him. And I gotta pay attention to where I walk because I don't want to fall. We probably got 6 inches, I'm saying, maybe 6 inches of snow. It's nice, light. It was fluffy, but I'm beginning to think now, there he goes right there. I'm beginning to think now that it's kind of a wet snow. If I can bring it in. There he goes, just like that. It's making a path down our long driveway. There's his truck just covered. I didn't wear any gloves outside because it's really not that cold out. There you go, show you some of our tree cover. There's my summer kitchen, women's cave, whatever you want to call it. Some of our woods here. Is where I like to play basketball. Yep, you heard it. I bet that's one thing you guys didn't know about me. I like to play basketball. Always did. Oh gosh, there's Mr. Snowman over there. Last of our decorations. Some of the house here, but nothing gives fresh snow like a clean look. Doesn't look dirty or wet and muddy out like it was beginning to look like. And it's starting to get dark. I say we got about 6 inches, I would say, by looking where he had his mark, where he's starting to plow. I love that snow. I shouldn't say plow, it's a snow blower. It's quite a ways down there. This here is a husk barn, in case you guys didn't know. I used to have 3 husses, 1 Heflinger and 2 standardbred. And I used to cart drive. Absolutely love my horses. Oh, I can hear Pumpkin in the house. Geez, what happened to Mr. R? I hear him, but I don't see him. Pumpkin's having a fit in the house because she can hear me out here. In the opposite way, it looks like Ray's having some sort of a maybe pin problem with the snow blower. But this looks just like a postcard picture. And there's our wood way, way down there that's piled in the snow. And I'm just working myself back to the house. I just wanted to show you. Look what's underneath the snow. That is pure ice. We had ice yesterday and some snow. Well, I should say last night. But here's the other pile of wood down there. But anyways, he's coming back up. I don't hear it running, so let me go slowly. He might have sheared a pin off. He's waving to everybody. So, if you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day, and God bless. I just want to show you a little bit of the diamond painting right here. I finally figured it out. What I was doing, I was reading too much into it. It is very simple once you get the hang of it, but it does take a knack. So let me pull it back just a little bit and show you how it's going. See how pretty that's coming out? And you have the numbers here on the side, which tells you what diamond to be using. And here is the glue and here is the little tool. I had this on my live stream the other day, but I couldn't figure it out. I think it was so much going on between live stream and trying to keep up with everybody. But I just need to sit down, have Ray help me a little. And I thought I was going by the colors, but it's not. You want to go by the colors here on the side. You have a little tray that you can put your beads in, your diamonds. But I also bought this little container. And what I did here, as you can see, I've put the numbers. But right now, I'm working on this one right here. And what you want to do is you want to pick up the diamond and you want the flat side to go down right there. And I'll do a few of these. I'm also going to be posting a little bit of the snow we got today. We got about 6 inches of snow. And the turkeys and the deer out back. So there's going to be a little bit of everything going on here. And I'm just going to pick up another one. Going to put it right there. I don't have the light right now. I did have. That's what I thought. It looked like it was turned over. I did go and find my light box that I had when I used to make cards and quilts right here. And at night I put it on here and it lights up and it really helps a whole lot. But there's a flat side and a little raised side to these, and you want the very flat side down. And this part here is very sticky, so when you have this, you only want to peel this back a little at a time. A little goes a long ways. But I'm definitely having a lot of fun. I have a night light that I purchased at Christmas time. And I'm also going to be doing that, and then I'll be ordering another one because I like this so much. But I'm videoing now and I had too much light come in, but what I can do is pull this, and this gives me a lot of light once I pull that back. But I just wanted to share with you. We'll do a few more here. Just like this. I'm surprised I like it as well as I do, but it gives me something to do in my spare time, which I don't have a whole lot of, but it kind of breaks my day up too. In between my travels and everything else that I do, and my videoing and housekeeping and cleaning and all that good stuff, it gives me some downtime. And I just shake it around a little like this to make sure I get the raised part up and the flat part down. Ray, the sanding truck's going by.
Yeah.
Just telling Mr. R the sanding truck's going by. Today is Friday. I'm not sure what day this is going out. Probably on a Tuesday, maybe. I'm not sure yet. I have something already done for Friday's video, and I'm changing the times again. I'm changing back to my old time. I thought I was gonna like the new time at 7:15, but I think it really works better for me to do it at early morning. Now that I found this new project that I really enjoy doing. There, see how quickly this goes? And you just fill it all in. And then I've got this section done right here. There, then I'm going to show you. I'm just going to pull it back so you can see. Whoops, don't want to pull it back too much. See how pretty that is? It's coming real nice. But I just wanted to share a little bit of that, and I'm going to be putting 3 videos together. So everybody have a great day, and I'll be adding some more videos in. And if you have any questions about diamond painting, I'm just beginning, but it's a whole lot of fun. Bye now.